a case of splenomegaly. A 24-year-old male Hindu patient, Kishore, working as a clerk, staying at Pune, comes with complaints of fever on and off since 3 months and a mass in the left upper abdomen since 1 month. The patient was apparently alright 3 months back. Since then, he has fever on and off, mild to moderate in degree, not associated with chills, lasting continuously for 2 to 3 days. In which conditions do you get such prolonged fever? In infections like tuberculosis, brucellosis, enteric fever, malaria, Kala Azar and HIV infection, and non-infective causes like malignancies and collagen vascular disorders. What is a PUO? PUO or pyrexia of unknown origin is defined as a temperature of 38.3 degrees centigrade or above, persisting or recurring for more than 3 weeks, including a 7 days investigation in hospital without a cause being detected. Proceed. The patient has noticed a lump in the left upper abdomen about 1 month back, and it is progressively increasing in size since then. It is painless. What are the causes of lump in left hypochondrium? Splenomegaly, left renal mass, mass arising from the splenic flexure of colon and sometimes from the stomach. Regarding history of etiology of the fever, there is no history of chills and rigors. In which fevers do you get chills and rigors? Malaria, filariasis, urinary tract infections, cholangitis, and any abscess in the body, especially liver abscess, either amoebic or pyemic. Proceed. There is no history of headache, no history of malaria in the locality. The patient has not visited any endemic area of Kala Azar, no history of continuous high fever, no history of cough, expectoration, hemoptysis, chest pain or breathlessness, no history of exposure to venereal diseases. Regarding etiology of splenomegaly, there is history of bleeding of gums 8 days back. What are the causes of bleeding gums? Gingivitis and bad dental hygiene, scurvy, and all bleeding disorders like hemophilia, leukemias, idiopathic thrombocytopenic purpura, and patients on anticoagulant drugs. Proceed. There is history of bleeding of gums, no history of epistaxis or skin bleeding, no history of bone pains, no history of repeated throat infections or herpes labialis. What is herpes labialis? It is an eruption of vesicles over the lips due to infection by herpes simplex virus. It is commonly seen in immunocompromised patients like patients with HIV infection, leukemias, patients on steroid therapy, patients with diabetes, lobar pneumonias and typhoid fever. There is no history of swellings in the neck, axilla or groin, no history of recurrent jaundice or leg ulcers, no history of distension of abdomen, ascites, hematemesis or jaundice, no history of joint pains. Where do you get joint pains with splenomegaly? Felty syndrome in rheumatoid arthritis, subacute bacterial endocarditis, hemophilias with hemarthrosis, and systemic lupus erythematosus. Regarding history of treatment taken, the patient has taken only symptomatic treatment for fever, no specific treatment or investigations. Past history, there is no past history of fever or jaundice, no history of repeated blood transfusions. Personal history, the patient does not smoke or take alcohol, bowel and micturition habits are normal, appetite is reduced, sleep is normal.